for all of us, and I can see a big wide smile on everyone's face. Well, on behalf of Sachirom, I extend a warm and a hearty welcome to each one of you present here. My name is Mayuri Malankar. Well, thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedules and being a part of this celebration. Well, today marks not just a financial milestone, but a celebration of decades of creativity, innovation, and vision in the fragrance and flavor industry. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here for the celebration of the listing ceremony of Sachirom Limited. Can we begin this beautiful morning with a huge round of applause, everybody? And now let's take a moment to welcome the esteemed dignitaries who have graced us with their presence today. I will request them to kindly join us on the stage as I take their names. Please put your hands together, everyone, for Mr. Manoj Arora, Chairman and Managing Director of Sachirom Limited, a visionary leader, a third-generation entrepreneur who laid the foundation of the company since 1992. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Please put your hands together, everyone, for Mr. Dhruv Arora, whole-time director of Sachirom, the one leading the brand's evolution with fresh insights and global outlook. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Please welcome Mrs. Alka Arora, Non-Executive Director of Sachirom Limited, with over 26 years of experience in the fragrance and flavors industry. Mrs. Arora has been a steady force behind the scenes. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the directors of GYR Capital, Mr. Abhishek Sharma and Mr. Mohit Beb. Their strategic guidance helped turn today's dream into reality. A very, very warm welcome to both of you. With the same excitement, it's time to welcome our host. Please put your hands together for Ms. Parvati Murthy, Associate Vice President, NSC. Very, very warm welcome to you, ma'am. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me take a moment to introduce you to the incredible journey of Sachirom Limited. Founded in 1992 by Mr. Manoj Arora, Sachirom Limited is a creative house specializing in design and manufacturing of fragrances and flavors. From starting as a fragrance-focused company, Sachirom expanded into flavors in 2014, and today it partners with leading FMCG brands in India and globally. Its fragrance division caters to personal care, home care, fine fragrances, and more, while the flavor division serves beverages, bakery, confectionery, and other segments. With a cutting-edge manufacturing facility in New Delhi and new plant underway in Uttar Pradesh, Sachirom is powered by a strong R&D team and complies with global standards like IFRA, EU, FSSI, and ISO 9001 in 2015. With a legacy, innovation, and excellence at its core, Sachirom continues to create world-class sensory experience that resonate with consumers worldwide. Today's listing is not a culmination, but a new beginning and a testimony to its commitment to creative, memorable, innovative, and impactful sensory experiences. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a milestone and it's a new beginning. I think once again we should go ahead with a big round of applause. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear from the visionaries, and the first speech by Mr. Abhishek Sharma to address the gathering. I'll request him to kindly join us on the stage, the director of GYR Capital. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So, when IPO subscribes and exceeds 12,500 crores, so then you don't need to explain the company is into fragrance or flavors, because everyone became part of that fragrance and everyone tried to taste that flavor. That's one-liner is more than enough. This calendar year, one of the biggest success in terms of biggest IPO subscription which we received from the public, that was Sachi Rom Limited. The journey was really very interesting. There is no doubt about it. GYR has a tagline called Clarity, Trust, Growth. There's a word trust, and that trust has been totally bestowed on GYR by visionary Manoj sir and Dhruv sir. If they would not have put such trust on GYR, definitely this event was just a dream for organization like us. We are very much thankful to everyone who became part of this journey. Pooja Jadia, our ferocious warrior. Jyoti Pugalia, the seamless executionary. The top management could be wrong in GYR, but I'm sure these two girls would never be wrong. A lot of people who were part of this journey. Our lawyers, Vidhigya Associates, led by Rahul. The journey, when you position yourself into the market, a proper lack of IRPR just shows unserved or uncooked food. So Pooja Gandhi led through Equiprojects that made the story very amazing, and it rightly reached to the audience. Who were into this part? Our financial consultant Sachin Jain, company statutory auditor TR Chadda, led by Amit ji. We are thankful deeply to everyone. Because of that, I would not have been standing here. And most important, the trust which has been put on our company, on banker, GYR Capital investors. We truly appreciate, we truly worship you, and thank you so much for being part of this journey. And I would say castle is about to build, but the journey is very long. The road has to be carved together, and we would reach to a very memorable journey as well as destination. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
3, 2, and 1. Heartiest congratulations. Heartiest congratulations to Sachi Rom Limited. It is now officially listed on the platform of NSE.